Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to uninstall the SSL certificate on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account. Then, and next to your hosting plan, click on this cPanel button. Now, scroll down to security. This is it. And click on SSL TLS. Here below, install and manage SSL for your site. Click on manage SSL sites. Here you will see a list of the available or the added domain names on your Bluehost account. Next to them, you will see that the status of the SSL certificate. And for this, let's say for this automation fan domain, I want to uninstall the certificate. Simply click on uninstall. A new window pops up. Are you sure that you want to delete the SSL host for this site? This operation cannot be undone. Click on proceed. And let's check this this domain next. Before this, refresh. As you see, now my automation fan domain is not visible below the installed SSL websites. Let's give this domain a visit, automation fan. And as you see, not secure. This SSL certificate deletion may not be instantly in your case. This is totally normal. Sometimes it can take 10 minutes to fully take effect. In my case, it was instantly. And this is how to uninstall an SSL certificate on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.